Cardamom is a spice which is mostly used in cooking. However, several Eastern cultures often add cardamom in a tea. It is said that cardamom has strong scent because of the oil present in its seeds. Many researches have shown that the oils, such as borneol, terpinine, camphor, eucalyptol and limonene, have some specific health benefits. Cardamom can be used as the digestive aid and detoxification solution for ages. Moreover, it can help you to relieve congestion in your sinuses and chest. Many recent studies have found out that using camphor in ointments or cold rubs can help you to find the relief. As one of home remedies for snoring and nasal congestion, cardamom is effective in opening the blocked nasal passages. The possible reason may be that cardamom contains decongestant and expectorant properties. Using cardamom remedy will result in less snoring. In order to treat this condition, you should make cardamom tea by mixing 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder into a cup of warm water. Before 30 minutes as you are ready to sleep, you should drink it. It is recommended drinking this solution daily before bedtime in order to stop snoring gradually. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.